Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It is Agota here. I'm here in Berlin and today we are going to try out the best Pakistani restaurant in Berlin. It is the most authentic one because many restaurants are like Indian and Pakistani mixed, but this one is just Pakistani, so I'm really excited to try it. First we are going to look around in this park, have a little walk, and then we are going to go there. So please stay with me, but before you continue, just pause this video for a moment and give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more fun traveling content. So if you did that, then we can get going. So we are walking around in this rose garden on the mission to find roses. So far it's very green and pretty here, but we didn't see flowers yet, so we keep our eyes open. It's like we are in a forest. So many trees. The roses! So we found the gate to the rose garden. We don't know yet how to get in. Maybe we should climb over. So we can see people being inside, but the gate is locked, so we are going to just walk next to the fence till we find another door. We found it! Yes, I want to see the roses from close up. Oh, so green. Look, over there is a little beaver fountain. And look at these trumpet flowers. Statue. You can see this park is beautiful. We have been sitting on a bench here for like an hour and so and talking, making plans, and now it's time to go for lunch. Here we are, Ashyana Restaurant, the house of food. Thing in Pakistan is a küche. Halal. Grand Mosque in Lahore. We have been there. Tani mango even. Yeah. Woohoo. We already ordered and we are waiting for the food. Actually, everything makes me feel like I'm back in Pakistan, like hearing everybody talking and just this atmosphere. It's good. Clear is so pretty. The cheese naan.
I personally would not take it if I didn't have to come to Pakistan.
So all the food arrived. Here we have chicken jaw fries and some rice and halim. And here's some Sikh kebab. And a balloon bread. And mango lassi and gulab jamun. Cheers. It was really delicious in this restaurant. I'm recommending, if you are in Berlin, then definitely come here and try it. And at the end I even got a present mango from Pakistan, a real Pakistani mango. Those are super delicious, I remember, so I'm excited to eat it at home. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a like and write me a comment. Let me know what you would have ordered here in the restaurant. And have an amazing day. See you in the next video. Bye.